Welcome back to Agentic AI, the future of intelligent systems. In previous episodes, we've explored the rise of agents, protocols like MCP and A2A, and the architectural patterns that support intelligent collaboration. But today, we're shifting the lens toward the people behind the systems, specifically the software engineers. For decades, software engineering has been grounded in writing explicit instructions. We coded every condition, crafted every loop, and tested every edge case. But in the agentic era, that paradigm begins to evolve. We're no longer just writing code, we're composing behavior. As AI agents become more autonomous, intelligent, and connected, the role of the engineer transforms from builder to orchestrator. The keyboard doesn't go away, but what we type into it changes. We define roles instead of routines. We shape prompts instead of procedures. And we set boundaries instead of hard-coded steps. In this new world, engineers become conductors. They coordinate multi-agent ensembles, fine-tune decision flows, and manage the interplay between memory, context, and capability. Just like a conductor doesn't play every instrument but ensures the entire orchestra is in sync, engineers are no longer just pushing code, they're designing intelligent collaboration. And this demands a new mindset, a mindset where constraints are design elements, where intent is the input and adaptation is the output, where debugging isn't about finding the broken line but understanding why an agent made the choice it did and what context led to that path. This shift doesn't make engineers obsolete, it makes them more essential than ever. Because agentic systems don't remove responsibility, they multiply it. Every prompt carries downstream effects, every delegated task carries risk, and every autonomous decision needs an architecture that can govern, guide, and evolve. That's why the engineers of tomorrow will blend traditional skills with new disciplines. They'll write code but also craft memory models. They'll architect APIs but also design agent personas. They'll optimize performance but also monitor behavior drift. And most importantly, they'll ensure these intelligent systems remain aligned with business goals, with regulatory boundaries, and with human values. In the agentic era, the most powerful systems won't be the ones with the most intelligence. They'll be the ones with the most thoughtful design. And behind that design will be engineers, not just coding, but curating. So if you're a developer today wondering where you fit in tomorrow's AI first world, remember this. The world doesn't need fewer engineers. It needs engineers who can think in systems, design with ethics, and collaborate with intelligence. Not just artificial, but shared. Thank you for tuning in to this episode. Stay with us as we continue exploring how intelligent systems are reshaping not only the tools we use, but the roles we play in creating them.